Physical therapy is the therapy that promotes obviously physical motion, but when we think about that, we don't really think about what that entails, what prevents somebody from being able to move their body the way they want to move it. And it's my job so that a patient who can't move their body can relearn how to gain their full functional ability of their body, or at the very least be able to functionally sustain themselves in society, or to not get worse. I have odd bits of education here and there. This is my favorite education I've ever had. Just having teachers who really care about, they're not just passing you, they're promoting and supporting the community of more medical professionals that are in their profession. ACC has a really high record of having high scores and high passing grades, and not only high passing grades, but high scores on top of it. So they really know how to get you into the field, and between all the teachers, they have an insane amount of experience that you could just never get from any regular